here. So here we are going to learn operations of stack with maximum size. So here I am going to create one class that is stack. Okay, inside this I am going to create one function that is init, or you can say it is a constructor. Here I am going to pass self comma max size. Okay, so max size is the parameter maxsized, and here colon. After this I am going to create variable that is self dot max size. Max size is equals to max size. And here self dot list is equals to empty list. Okay, and here I'm going to define another function that is str. And here I'm going to pass self colons value. Okay, so here value equals to str inside this x for x in reverse. Here I am going to pass self dot list. Okay, so str just used for print the stack. Okay, so str of x for x in reverse self dot list. Okay, so here this is the values, not value. Okay, and it will return. Here I'm going to use /n dot join value, and after this I am going to define one function that is isEmpty. Okay, this is used for like if you have a string that is empty. Okay, so here I'm going to pass self colon, it will return self dot list. Okay, this is for empty linked list, sorry, empty stack. Okay, so if you have empty stack, okay, so self dot list equals to empty. Okay, so if you have full, so here you can write isFull function name. Okay, here you need to pass self colon return length self dot list is equals to self dot max size. Okay, so this is like if you have if your stack is full, then you need to write, it will check the length. So self dot list check the length of list is equals to self dot maximum size. Okay, so like if length of list is equals to maximum size, then it is full. Okay, here I'm going to define one function that is push. Okay, so push self comma values colon is self dot is full this is if. Okay, if self dot is full means if it is full, then it will return stack is full. Self dot list that append. Push means we are going to append element inside this. Okay, so here I'm going to append values. Okay, then I need to return inserted. Okay, that element inserted inside the linked list, sorry, inside the step. Okay guys, so here these are the testing purpose. Okay, so here this is like custom stack, so I'm going to create its object. Okay, object equals to, I'm going to call our class stack. Okay, so it is the object of class stack. It should be small. Okay, because I have class that is stack and s is the small here. Okay, so here we need to comment this. Oh, what happening? And we can run this. Okay, so I got error. Wait a minute, why I got error? Stack object has no attribute list. Okay, line number 14. Wait a minute, why I got this error? I have maximum size equals to max size, self dot list equals to list. Okay, and isEmpty also self dot list equals to list is full. Line number 14. Okay, return length self dot list is equals to self dot maximum size. Okay, but I have list this one. Okay, I need to rerun this. Okay guys, so I got error because of this. Okay, I missed this. Okay, if you are going to run this, you got error. Okay, so you got error. So if first of all you need to fix this by, I need dollar underscore here, and here inside this I need to define maximum size. Okay, inside this, so I need to take 4, that is maximum size of our stack. Okay, and I need to comment this. Okay, because I haven't tried delete function. Okay, so you can see here I have 3 2 1 by using push. So I push element 1 2 and 3. I mean I append 1 2 3 1 by 1. Okay, so 3 is the top element and last element. Okay, so after this I'm going to define one function, that is pop. Inside this I'm going to pass self colon, and here if self dot isEmpty, I need to return stack is empty here, and then here if your stack is not empty, then you need to return self dot list dot pop. Okay, and here, okay, this is for like delete the what top element from the list or stack. Okay, so here I'm going to define another function, that is peak. Okay, I'm going to pass self colon, I'm going to return this line. I'm going to write here. Okay, so if self dot is empty, okay, then returns stack is empty. Otherwise, it will return self dot list -1, means it will give you top element, that is 3. Okay, and here I'm going to define one function, that is delete. Inside this I'm gonna pass self, and here self dot list equals to empty list. It means I deleted every element from list. Okay, then I'm going to run. Okay, so here, like, if you want to delete, then you need to uncomment this. Okay, so here it will give you none after deleting. Okay, so I hope guys you got it, and you can also print peak like this. And you can also print what, pop. Okay, and then you can rerun. Okay guys, so this is our stack. Okay, and peak element is 3, and pop element is also 3, and deleted element, that is none. Now after deleting, I got none here. Okay, I hope you got it.